Hi, this is Larry Kearney. Welcome to my Amaze AI review video. And this is one of the first AI powered uh, cloud based systems to help you sell products on Amazon. The world's first Amazon AI site builder at a one time price. New app exploits Amazon's loopholes for set and forget $487 a day or possibly less. An AI site with free traffic in 60 seconds without technical skills, physical products, ads, or experience. This is only $14.95, folks. This comes with, I believe, 30-day money back guarantee. No, 180 days money back guarantee. So you have nothing to lose here. It will make your site for you so you can start making money on Amazon today. You can click the link below to see a full demo of this system. So it's going to make your site, it's going to handle all the orders, it's going to promote it and get traffic for you, all for one price. You choose a niche, you activate, and it's already done. So folks, this is a no-brainer. And you know Amazon's making millions of dollars a second or a minute. So you'll finally be able to get into the game, and much cheaper than Shopify, all those other systems. But AI handles everything for you, and Amazon is the place to go. But now you have it, so you have a system that AI will take care of your entire site, managing your products, keeping up with the orders through the Amazon system. So Larry Kearney, make sure you check it out. Click the link below to get more information. See a demo, so you see exactly what you're getting for $14.95. And usually they give you a couple dollars off when you get started. Okay, it's Larry Kearney. I'd like to thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to click the link below to get more information, see a demo, and start making money today from Amazon.